This will be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Here's the box. Check it out. You can see the Z right there. On this side, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Got your tape right there. Now this is the retail version and on the bottom of the box. Screenshot that if you want to check that out. Now this one, I'm very excited. This is my first folding phone unboxing on the channel. I did not see the first generation of the Galaxy Fold. So this is a brand new experience for me. Real excited for this one. Go ahead and take my blade. We'll cut the tape off and we'll have a look. Starting with the first one. Oh man. Z Fold 2. Now this just slides off like so. I'll put that to the side for now. Let's see. Yeah, put that to the side and then, oh, check this out. It's very subtle, but if you look at it, depending on how the light hits the box, you have that design right there. Kind of looks like, what is that? Like a flower or a butterfly even? I think it's a flower. Look at that. Subtle, but it's effective. Now, how does this go? Does this go? Oh, look at this. Nice. And then change the shape of the future. I'm gonna get in here, screenshot that if you want to read it. Okay. Put the card to the side, and then we have Samsung here. Do I have any tape here? Nope. There's just a little like sleeve. It says Samsung. And what does this say? That doesn't say anything. So what's in here? I'm gonna open this up. What do we get in here? Put that to the side, and then you get your quick reference guide, etc., terms and conditions, all the fun stuff. We'll put that to the side for now, and this is your SIM ejection tool, so you can see. Put that to the side, and then, oh my gosh. Oh man. Now I ordered the Mystic Black version here, so you can see. What does that say? When using a wireless charger, fold the device and place the center of the device back on the center of the wireless charger. Care instruction. Screenshot that if you want. Now I'm gonna take a quick look at it. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Have a look. Now where do I begin? I'm gonna put this to the side for now, and then what else do we get in the box? And then Z Premier Service. That to the side, and then here you get your USB cable, C to C, I think. Yeah, it's C to C. I'm not even gonna take a look at it. And then you have your super fast charging now, right? It's what they call it, the super fast charger. Now get in here. Screenshot that if you want. Super fast. Is that what it says? Yep. Super fast charging. Love that. We'll put that to the side. And then this is the phone itself. Now how do I like get the plastic off? Here's the tab. I see a big tab. I guess this is it. And then we'll just very carefully. Ho 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 ho. It's so nice. This. Whew! I freaking love it, man. A folding phone. Now let's take a look at the crease. Now I have not turned on the phone yet. So I mean the crease, it's there if you look for it, depending on how the light hits the glass. You'll see the crease there. But I don't know, it's not, that doesn't bother me. Just fold it. And check the crease. Ooh, that feels good. Now again, I never had experience with the first generation Fold, so I don't have any previous experience to kind of refer to, right? But the very first impressions, this feels premium. Just immediately, just holding it in my hand, just like the craftsmanship and just kind of like the build quality, feels really good. Very solid phone, and then like it doesn't feel cheap, like I'm gonna fold it, open it, fold it again. This doesn't feel cheap. It does not feel like flimsy or anything like that. This feels solid. Turn the phone on. Oh, Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Now what happens if... Oh, look at that. See? Happens on the front screen too. All right. USB Type-C, you have your microphone. Here it says Samsung. Now it's cool, like, you can actually customize these to have like a different colored hinge right here, but I just opted for the all black. You have your triple camera setup right there. And by the way, check out this Mystic Black color. I love it. Love the gloss on it. And what's down here? SIM tray right there. And then let's see, what do we got on top? Speaker and another microphone. All right, let's check this out. I'm gonna mess with this open. Let's go back and then let's go. All right, let's go. And what is this? Check out some great info to get started. Okay, now this, you don't have to agree to everything, right? So I'm gonna not agree to some of this. And then, let's see. All right, next. Choose my Wi-Fi. Oh, look at that keyboard. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna enter my password. Tell you what, that very first impression or very first time typing on the keyboard of this device, pretty good haptics. It's not bad. Next. Checking for updates. And then what do we have here again? This is a 7.6-inch display, I believe. And then you have the hole punch camera here on the right side, on the right screen. No longer that notch on the first generation. Oh man. Not gonna copy anything. I want to start fresh with this phone. Checking info. And then sign in. I'm gonna skip the sign in stuff. Skip. I just want to get into the phone, straight into the phone. Disable all this. Accept. Protect your phone with the fingerprint. Let's test out the fingerprint scanner, which is on the power button. We'll click continue. And then let's see, we'll do a pattern. We'll just do one of these. Confirm. Now everybody knows my pattern, but that's all right. Scan your fingerprint. So I'm gonna use my middle finger here. A little awkward using it with the phone open, but %. Sign in to your Samsung account. Nope. Yeah, skip all this. For now, I'll sign in later, but for now, I just want to get straight into the device. Okay, what is this? Before you get started, again, I think these are the same instructions as you get here. So again, I'm gonna go like this. Screenshot that if you want to check it out. Done. Woo! Oh man, this is sick, dude. Wow, look at that. And we are in. All right, man. So this is a 7.6-inch display, 120 hertz, which I think this is 120 hertz already out of the box. Nice and smooth. Now let me go into just the display and then we'll turn on the dark mode. Actually, no, we're gonna go light on this so I can see the entire thing, because if it's dark, you kind of lose the size of this display. But if you go light, you can clearly see how big it is. I'm gonna go light on this one. I'll turn that off. Smoothness, adaptive, which is the 120. I'm gonna go back. Screen timeout, 5 minutes. That's what I like. Device care. Let's check out the how much storage we get out of the box. Okay, there's a 256 gig version. Out of the box, you get 220 available. Not bad. 12 gigs of RAM, so you can see. I'm gonna go back now. I'm gonna change this. I wonder if you can move this on this side or if it's only on this side. See, let's do a search for, there we go, navigation bar, nav bar. You can do the swipe, more options. Okay, so it has the back button on this side. Okay, cool. But I'll leave it on navigation for now. And then here we go, button position, right? I think I'm actually gonna go left since I do hold my phones with my left hand. So I want these buttons on this side. Let's test out the camera. Oh, look, got a real big viewfinder here. All right, so let me just go ahead and take a picture of whatever I got in front of me. Do that right now. Let's see, take a picture of this thing over here. Alright, this is a little live video from the Z Fold 2 5G. Now, nothing special here. I'm just holding the phone. And this is filming on 4K 30 frames per second. So I'm just out here. It's about sunset. Still a pretty good amount of light though. There's the Tesla right there in the background. So yeah, just a quick little video test of this phone. Let me know if the quality in the comments below. Again, nothing special here, just handheld. Take a look at the autofocus, and then back in again on this flower. We'll take a look at this one. Let me know the audio too. Can you hear my voice loud and clear? Now it's kind of windy out too, so let me know if you can hear any wind noise. Just all handheld, no fancy gimbal or anything like that. Let me know if you heard that car in the background, the loud exhaust. Let's take a look at the focusing here. Pretty nice bokeh on the viewfinder, but let me know how it looks like on YouTube. Go on this one. Look at that. Very nice. I love it, man. So I've been playing with this phone for just a little bit now, and I'd have to say, like, if you want a big screen on the go, if this is important to you, the size, the 7.6 inches right here. By the way, you can use it this way. Okay, you can kind of go like this and use the phone this way. So it all works, right? You can even use it this way, right? And have kind of like a mini laptop mode, right? On a flat surface, you're typing away and use it this way. So you can do it like that too. All right, let's have a look at media consumption on this phone, which you guys are probably interested in. So you can see, this is what it's gonna look like. And then let's see, I'm gonna go over to my channel, videos. Tech 21 Evo check case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is what it's gonna look like. Go up to 1440p. Now this is nice. Let me jack up the volume a little bit. This is one of my favorite cases. We'll take a look at the packaging real quick. So you can see Tech 21 Evo Check, non-slip case. Audio sounds good. Camera. Here's the picture of the item itself. Now can you kind of do one of these? You can watch it like this if you want. If you want a certain angle, you're already gonna see the crease a little bit here, but have a look. And as you can see here, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra designed for Samsung in the official font. So this is a... Now it doesn't continue. Now I think in settings you can change that to continue, but let's check out the front. Let's check out the front display on the video. All right, here it is in the front. We'll play it. It's a legit case. This is specifically designed for the Note 20 Ultra. Whenever you see this designed by Samsung, that means it's licensed by Samsung. Should work 100%. We'll flip the packaging over in the back. Wide. You can screenshot that if you want to. On the side, it says Tech 21. Now you are going to lose a lot if you go wide, but on the top and bottom, the video takes up the entire display. So if you want this look. Very nice. Now what happens if, will it continue here? It does continue here. All right. Sick. And also the front screen on this thing. This is totally usable. This is big enough. This does not have a 120 hertz. But I mean, if you don't want to fold it open, just want to use it like this. It's a little bit narrow, but it's long enough. I mean, this is good right here. If you want a big display, if you don't mind a slightly thicker phone, right? And this doesn't even feel that heavy in the hand. I mean, compared to like, let's say a Note, for example, right? I mean, yeah, the Note's lighter, but on this one, it's heavier, but I don't know. I think it's something how the weight's distributed. It doesn't feel like hella heavy or anything like that. It's not like, oh my gosh, this thing's a brick. I mean, it feels, to be honest, it feels pretty good in the hand. I mean, it feels good. I mean, yeah, the Note's lighter, but the Note's also bigger overall in terms of just its size, how wide it is. This is much narrower. Now it's much thicker, but I mean, just holding it, like I said, It feels really good. Now if you have it open, yeah, that hinge, I mean, this feels quality. Doesn't feel cheap at all whatsoever. Does not feel flimsy. Feels quality. Now obviously like this, depending on how big your hands are, this might be a challenge for some people. If you have $2,000 to waste, highly suggest this phone. Go ahead and just go for it, man. You'll love it. Anyway, quick size comparison. This is the Note 20 Ultra. So have a look at the size. Let me do it this way. Obviously this is much bigger. Have a look, and then we do have the iPhone here. Have a look. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Speed tests versus XS Max or XS Max iPhone 11, Note 20 Ultra, OnePlus 8, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.